Welcome back. Bank has recorded a 760.1 million dirham net profit for the first half of the year, reflecting a 13.7% rise over the same period last year. So before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And continuing with the markets now, the value of shares bought by foreign investors on the Dubai financial market last week from the 14th to the 18th of July hit a record 4-year high. The value of the shares bought rose to 1.345 billion dirhams, making up 39.5% of the total value of stocks traded during the period. Additionally, the value of stocks sold by foreign investors during the same period reached 1.308 billion dirhams and 38.5% of the total value of stocks traded, while net foreign investment on the market reached 35.4 million dirhams during the period as aggregate buy. Meanwhile, the value of stocks bought by institutional investors during the week reached 741.2 million dirhams, 21.8% of the total value of stocks. Dubai's economy grew by around 4.7% in the second quarter of 2013. That's according to the latest government report, driven by a strong performance in trade and most non-hydrocarbon sectors. According to official data from a report titled Dubai's Economic Horizons, Dubai's GDP in the first quarter of the year rose by 4.1%, also as a result of growth in trade, financial enterprises, transport and communications, real estate, construction and manufacturing. The report revealed that the hydrocarbon sector is expected to contribute 12% of the 2013 budget, as non-oil sectors are set to dominate. Trade has been forecast to make up 28% of the share, 16% for manufacturing, 14% for financial enterprises, 13% for real estate, and 8% for construction. The data showed Dubai cut the fiscal deficit from around 1.8 billion dirhams in 2012 to 1.5 billion in 2013, despite a 5.8% increase in expenditure. It attributed the decline in the shortfall to a 7.2% rise in revenue to 32.6 billion dirhams in 2013 from 30.6 billion in 2012. The average prices of building materials in June in Abu Dhabi this year, compared with May 2013, ranged between 0.4% for wood and 15% for construction labour costs. That's according to the latest report. The Statistics Centre Abu Dhabi report surveyed the prices of 21 groups of commodities and services, which compared June 2013 material prices with those of May 2013 and June 2012. The report revealed that price falls for June compared to May ranged between 0.3% for transport equipment rents and 6.6% for the sanitary ware bathroom sets with accessories. According to the data, average construction labour costs grew by 15% in June compared with May this year, reflecting a rise in wages for most trades, ranging from 5.9% to 20%, while average construction labour wages increased by 36.3% in June this year compared with June last year. Price falls were reported for 15 groups of building materials in June this year, compared with last year. The drops range from 0.3% for waterproofing products to 13.8% for wires for residential towers. Meanwhile, the report revealed a 19.5% surge in the average price of the glass group for the period. Real estate developer Nikhil has awarded Freycinet Golf a contract for ground improvement works at its new entertainment and retail complex on the Palm Jumeirah. Some of the preparation groundworks for the 800 million dirham The Point project are set to include vibrocompaction and topographic surveys, and work is set to start before the end of July and continue for 4 months. According to the Dubai-based developer, construction of the Point project will start at the end of the year, which will be located at the tip of the Palm opposite the Atlantis Hotel. Some of the main features of the development will include shopping, dining and entertainment facilities, and it is expected to be completed in 2016.